वीडियो कर दूँ ना?
Hello, miss.
Hello, assalamu alaikum. How are you all?
Hello.
Ilsa, I can see you, my dear. How are you all?
Assalamu alaikum, miss.
Walaikum assalam. Can you hear me clearly? Can you hear me?
Yes, miss.
Okay, everyone.
Assalamualaikum, miss.
Walaikum assalam.
Assalamualaikum, miss.
Walaikum assalam.
Assalamualaikum,
Abdul
miss.
Rafi, Khizra, Aliza Adil. I can see all of you. Barira Wajahat, Tehzeeb. I will appreciate if you switch on your camera. Okay? And you were, yes. You were having your conversation class right now with Miss
Yes.
Muna. Raise up your hand.
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Show your raising your hands, okay? So chat, okay. Now, so how are you all, my dear? I hope you all are fine. And today,
Yes, miss.
yes, let's start our lecture, okay?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So start our lecture, my dear. So,
Yes, miss.
with the name of Allah, who is the most gracious and most merciful. So, guys, good morning. Okay, and I hope you all are
Good morning,
fine.
miss.
Now, I welcome all of you in my English class, Khizra, Elsa, everyone. Okay, and
मिस आपने वॉलपेपर अच्छा लगाया है
thank you. On computer. And
तो
Tehzeeb,
क्यूट
I will
लग रहा है
appreciate if you switch on your camera. Please, I want to see you. Okay, guys, now please mute yourself, okay? And listen my lecture carefully. So I welcome all of you in my English class, and today it's going to be my English language class after a long time, because we were reading English literature lesson that was little shorter, and finally we had completed last week, and I hope you have understood. So today we are having our English language class, okay? And let's see what we are going to learn, okay? So guys, my name is Musarat. As you know me, don't you? Class 5. Yes, the most important thing that today's topic is subject and object. Guys, this is my one topic, but I have divided into two. Today I will teach you about subject and object, and tomorrow, as we are having again our virtual class, so I will teach you subject verb agreement, right? Khazra, what happened, beta? You can write in your comment, okay? So today we are going to learn subject and object. And you know very well, you are very familiar about subject as well as object. Isn't Ilsa Tanzil? So guys, today subject and object. Subject and object pronoun. So what is a subject? Can you tell me what is a subject? Yes, Iraj, can you tell me what is a subject? Write in your comment box. Yes, Iraj will tell me. I'm giving you access of unmute. Please unmute yourself and tell me what is a subject.
Miss, subject is the name of any person or the thing which we are talking about.
Yes, and Ilsa, can you tell me? Ilsa, can you tell me, Pita? Yes, Ilsa.
What, miss? What a subject is?
Yes, what is the subject?
A subject is a noun.
Is a
A
noun just?
subject is a noun or the person we're talking about.
Okay.
No, not a noun.
Not only noun, yes.
A name or a person.
This is the noun. This is the noun, the name or person or thing, whatever. So this is a noun. So now Khizra will tell me. Okay, Khizra? Yes. Subject. What is a subject?
Miss, most sentence have subject as an object as well as a verb.
Okay, now Malahim, please describe subject, beta. Okay. Malahim, I'm giving you access of unmute. Please unmute yourself. What is a subject?
Miss, subject is a thing which we are talking about.
Which we are talking about. And Aman, what do you want to say? Yes, Aman. Ahad, I can see you. Ahad.
Miss, in a
Miss,
sentence,
a subject
which
is a
we are
No,
thing
guys.
in a sentence.
Who do the
Miss,
action in sentence is subject.
Yes, Lil, right. Okay, now let me explain. Now, subject is a work doer, a person who does any action, who are doing an action, who did any action, a person or thing, right? So, subject is a work doer. Every sentence has its subject, object, and verb generally. Okay, so subject and object. So, oh, wait. Yes. Now, what is a subject and an object anyway? Now you can see it. A subject pronoun. Subject is a pronoun. Maybe noun or pronoun. Maybe noun or pronoun. Subject may be a noun or pronoun. A subject pronoun indicates who or what performs the action. That is the same thing that I told you, that a subject is a work doer. Who or what performs the action of a sentence? I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. They all are subject pronoun. I told you when I was teaching you the tenses in translation, especially present indefinite. So I told you the subject is a verb doer. Every sentence is started with the subject. Okay? So I, you, we, Mohammed. Okay. Okay, hi. Taha Khan. Yes, we are going to do work, Taha Khan. Yes. Okay. So, and an object. An object is an object pronoun indicates who or what receives the action. Means the action when subject does on the thing. Means any pronoun, an object pronoun indicates who or what receives the action. Me, you, him, her, it, us, and them are object pronoun. Got it? What is a subject pronoun? Subject pronoun does an action, whereas object pronoun receives the action. What subject is doing? Okay? Now, next. Yes, let's have an example. Like the subject usually comes before verb. Have you noticed it? Always subject usually you can say comes before the verb. Before the verb. Like if I say I do my work, do is a verb and I is a subject. So always or usually I comes before verb. Subject comes before verb. Whereas the object usually comes after verb. Like he likes coffee. He likes coffee. He is a subject, likes is a verb, and coffee is an object. Okay? So he receives the object coffee. He is a subject who is doing the work, who is taking the coffee, or who is liking the coffee. But coffee is an object that receives he. So, are you getting my point? A subject is a verb doer, whereas the object receives an action or verb. Okay? Now, yes. Malahim, are you getting me? Malahim, switch on your camera. I want to see you. Okay, Aman. Aman, I'm giving you access of unmute. Please unmute yourself. Aman, are you listening me? Okay. Now, subject versus object.
Miss,
Are you listening me, guys? Can you listen me? Can you hear me? Khizra, no, why?
मिस इससे पहले आपकी बिल्कुल भी आवाज नहीं आ रही थी.
Okay. So, yes. Okay, yes, you have written yes. Okay, so subject can be singular or plural. In singular, subjects are of three types. First person means I or me. Second person, just you. And third person, he, she, her, or him. Okay, these are singular subjects, singular pronoun. Whereas the plural subject or plural pronouns are first person we, second person you, and third person they or them. Okay, like we or us. We is a subject, us is an object. Second person you object is remain you. Third person they is a subject or them is an object. So subject and object may be singular or plural. Means first person, second person, third person singular, first person, second person, and third person plural. These are subject and object. Okay. Now let's on new slide. Yes. Yes. List of personal pronoun. List of personal pronoun. Okay. Pronoun I, you, he, she, it. These are singular pronoun. I first person, you second person, he, she, it are third person singular. Whereas plural, we first person plural, you second person plural, and they third person plural. Okay. Hamna, do you want to say something, my dear? I'm giving you access of unmute. Please unmute yourself. Where is Vanya? Yes. Hamna, say something.
Yes.
Are you getting me?
No, miss. I raised my hand later because
Sorry. Okay, Hafsa Amir. Okay, yes. Hafsa Amir, I'm giving you access of unmute. Please unmute yourself and say something. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Yes. Malahim. Malahim, do you want to say something? Are you getting me? Subject and object. Why people are you not saying anything? What happened, Malahim? Okay. Okay. Subject and object. Now, take out your English language copy. Everyone. Everyone take out your English language copy, please. I want to see. Show me your copy of English language. Please stand by. Yes, Khizra. Okay. Have you taken out your English language copy, my dear? Abdul Rafi, Ilsa Tanzil, please switch on your camera and show me your English language copy. Hamad Madni. What happened, Hamad Madni? Yes. What do you want to say? Yes. I'm giving you access of unmute. Please unmute yourself. Yes. Yes.
आपकी आवाज बिल्कुल भी नहीं आ रही, बहुत कम आ रही है.
Okay. Now, can you hear me now?
I can't listen your voice.
Why, my dear? How can it possible? Everything is okay.